item from Amazon. So this is two vase ceramic, and let me tell you, they weigh 19 pounds and you not even want to hear the price. You don't want to hear the price to clear them. But I'm just jump right into it. I'm tired, I'm going to bed, I'm going to sleep. So I'm just going to get it over with. So I love how they put them in the individual boxes. I love how they put them, they separate them in a two different box. So, oh my god. I'm going to unpack something. Jesus. What a whole heap of wrappings. Yeah, I know say ceramic, I don't want it for break, but mighty, I like that still. So, alright, so one out the way, and this is what? I think this is 24 inches. Yeah. Look, go down and have weight. Alright, so I'm gonna pull the next one. pull it out of the box and come back. Yeah, so look at them have weight. So I'm gonna show now what I'm gonna put inside. So I have Pampas grass. I have one from Amazon and one from Shein. I'm gonna show you one from Shein first. I'm gonna start opening to disappoint me because this is the package from Shein. This is the package from Shein, and it just feel light, like there's not a lot of fluff gonna happen. I don't know, but the package alone, yeah, compare to Amazon. So you know, it can give me weight. This, I don't know. So let me get all this out of the way. So I'm gonna start my show now. So Shein first. And the reason why I'm gonna have to get it from Shein is like for some reason it just I don't know, Amazon just never allow me to get the color I want. Like it does say not shipping to Jamaica or not shipping to my address. So I don't know. I don't know what was happening. I don't know the reason for that. So I guess me have to go stick them here. What? Guys, look here. Pan them all there. All them expects of this food. All this I go work out. What me I go do? How this I go work out now? Them all are not big enough. Look. Them all are big enough. Push them through it. Look here. How this I go work out? I some forcing. I go force these. Nah man, but them are too short. Say what now? I have to go fix that, but I already expect some disappointment. So let me go over here, so cause I'll see. Until with Amazon. They're not gonna disappoint. I'm just realizing certain things don't buy from Shein. There's something else about watch length. Why am I shake it? Oh my god. If I give me like bamboo vibes, guys, look. They give me like some bamboo vibes. Ugh. And it is so soft. Alright, let me see. I guess I forgot to do something about it. It's me like how it look, cause look there. So all of the pampas grass, they down in the vase. So me gonna do for kinda bring it up. I'm gonna stuff this down in the vase. So this can come up a little bit higher. So what I'm gonna do. I think I have more of this one. Then the next one that we get from Amazon, from Shein. And then all of this, I have no stick. So that's why sometimes we have to just be mindful. Some of the things I won't get from Shein, cause why these not have no stick? When we put them, just stick. I don't know. So I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna just check the improvise and see. I don't know. What is I try? Let's see. So I guess, yeah, no. Wait, man, no. I'm gonna try and it have potential. I don't know. I'm gonna try and mess around it and see what can go on with it. I don't really have a time right now. Sleep a kill me. So I just mess around it another time. But the one from Shein, I don't know, the quality is not quality in. And the one from Amazon, the quality feel good, soft, nice. But when I said shed, it shed. It shed. It sheds. Alright, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to put it over in one corner. I'm going to put this one over in the corner. So I'm going to show you how it look over in the corner. So this is how it's looking in the corner. So I'm going to just mess around it and see. So see there. I'm going to just mess around it and try to fluff it out some more. I'm too tired for kind of deal with it right now. I just want to get the unboxing out of the way and just want to get the unboxing out of the way and just go bed and go my bed because I'm tired. So I'm gonna drop the link in my description for the vase and for the Pampas grass. So I'm not gonna put the one from Shein in the description cause yeah, them don't even give me all of the stick them feed. So it's yeah, I may have to just stick it in and see if it work. Me just put in the one for Amazon. I just put in the Amazon one and the Shein one can stay. I don't know, like them the one I forgot tape it up or find stick a bush and tape up on it. Forget the length. I don't know. You know what, I'm gonna just go bed and go my bed. Guys, thanks for watching and remember if you just like up the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Tired to kill me. Tired bad. And remember